today we talk about how can you disable passcode on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go down here, you just click in this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, just click here on privacy in security here. Then you come to this list, you click here on passcode lock, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Come here to passcode lock, just click in this sign or this color here. So like you see here, here you add your passcode you have before, so that like you see it's disabled with you here on your app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking